Alicia today. So today I'm going to go over quickly how you can attach your letters in a name or in your text. Or another way to say it is you can weld it, you can combine letters. Either way, if you guys are interested, check this out. So first you're going to go to the text, type in anything you want. So I'm just going to type the name Danielle. All right, and then you want to get some type of font to where you can connect it and the words are still going to be clear. So I usually use a font, so I'm going to go here. That is a type of handwriting, so cursive. All right, so a font that I like to use, which is a little bit thicker, is a font called Pacifico. All right, so as you can see, the letters are pretty much already connected here. However, if you were to cut it, you can see how these are overlapping and they're not combined. So the first thing I want to show you guys is how you can adjust the spacing. So what you need to do is you need to select your text. You're going to right click and you're going to go down here to split text. So now you can see you can move each one of the letters individually so you can have the spacing be how you like it. All right, so I'm just going to put this back. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to adjust this font to how we like it. So for the most part, I kind of like the spacing here. So I'm just going to highlight all of these ones and I'm just going to move it so that the A is touching the D, so it's overlapping, so it's connected. So then if I were to engrave it, you'll see that it is all one piece. However, if you were to cut it, it will cut out the letters like this and it will just be overlapping and it's not going to be how you want it. So how you make this one thing is you'll go ahead and you highlight all the letters. You'll have the option to unite them. So now you see that it's completely together here. So there's no overlapping or anything. So then we can compare it to this one. So this is how it looked before. So when it comes to engraving, yes, it really doesn't make that big of a difference when you are engraving it, but you can see that if you were to cut it, that it wouldn't come out the way that you want it to come out. All right, so let me give you guys an example of some text that you might want to be a little bit closer together. So let's do, all right, so say if you had something like this, say if you like this font here, and if you select it here, you engrave, you can see how they're not all connected here. So the same thing would apply. You'll select it, right click, split text, and then these ones are already pretty much connected, but if you wanted to move it a little bit closer, I'm just using my arrow keys to move it closer. And so I'm going to highlight these 4 so that I can connect it to the N. And those, move it over. And of course you can play around with the spacing so it looks how you like, but I'm just showing you guys really quickly. Okay, so then you can highlight these and you can go up here to unite. So now it's all one. So if you cut it, you'll see that it is all connected here. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys got something out of this if you were trying to figure out how to weld or combine your letters together so that they're spaced closer so you have a connected piece when you're trying to cut out a name. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.